We back on the standard, son. Back from holiday, ready to rock. Main thing to do today is get the 182 out and get a little bit more of the interior sorted, but first things first, I need to clean these because look at them. Leaves and life cycle that job. Yes, anyway, everybody's not putting me off. I don't know how, I still got a load of buttons in this thing. So we're back, back from a holiday. I would like to say that it was boiling hot. It was hot on about 1.5 days, and the other 5.5 it was raining / really windy. So it was about 50-50, so I didn't get drenched the whole time, which was ideal. Just cleaned both the cars because they were covered in, well, just tree. So I've got all them cleaned and picked out as much as I can. I need to get up the bonnet when we get back in a second and pick the rest of the leaves out of the bonnet out of this one. But yeah, good. Just on my way to Screwfix now. I'm just picking up a jack, a low profile 2-ton jack, just so it's so much easier for me to change wheels because it's annoying me using that round one. So nice and cheap and cheerful one, but hopefully it should just do the job just to jack it up and swap the wheels over, because I'm going to be changing the wheels on my 182 back to the old ones while I'm storing it, just to have peace of mind that the tyres aren't going to perish on the 15. So just going to go pick up the jack, and I've also got some locking pliers and stuff like that, see if that's going to help me get the back seats out. But yeah, nice to get back and have a little drive in the car. And so yeah, we're just going to be doing a little bit of work on the 182. I need to swap the wheels, that's job number 1 or 2 or 3, whatever. Hopefully the rain stays away, so change the wheels back to the old ones. But also maybe first I need to still sort out the interior. We now have mould in the car, which I'll show you in a minute. There is mould coming up in my 182, which is to piss me off as soon as I got back, but got to deal with it. Luckily it's only on the plastic, so hopefully I can wipe it off, but I just really need to crack down now and get rid of all the moisture that's in the car underneath all the carpets and sort it out. But my plan is literally just to take all the carpets out. I say just, hopefully that's easy enough, but I want to take the plastics out as well, because I'm changing my silver sport seat belts to the black ones out of the 172, because I hate the silver ones because they're just like these and they look like, they just look so rubbish, and you have to clean them all the time and then they don't stay clean. I don't know if someone has an amazing technique for them, but I just want mine to be black, so hopefully we'll get that done as well, someone within the process. So we're going to have a few days or evenings where it's pitch black and me hiding in the garage, getting the carpets out and removing the plastics and hopefully sorting the seat belts out. Another job to be done on the 182 is get the manifolds off. I'm going to be sending them to Max MS Custom Engineering. Just need to book myself in with him, but I'm going to get the upper inlet off, but I'm not overly confident on jacking the engine up, etc, etc, so I might have to get James over to help me do that and get the lower inlets off. But I'll film that for you guys if any of you are interested in how to get the upper and lower inlets off. So I'll be sending those two and the throttle body to Max to hopefully get them ported and sprayed. Like I said before, I think I'm going to go with anthracite just so it has got a clean look to it. I'm not going to go with a bold colour. The engine cover is going to have the colour, and then I can chop and change that if I want to. So hopefully that'll be good. So that's the job list: wheels, carpet and plastics out, and yeah, get the inlets off and sent. That is all my job list mainly at the moment for the 182, but obviously it's just to get it dry, get all the water out to stop this crap mould coming up the plastic in the centre. I need to get my driver's seat out, because if it touches my driver's seat I'm going to start crying. It's because I don't want mould getting into the sort of the suede part of my Recaro, so need to get that out and sorted ASAP, because it's luckily only on the plastics at the moment. But just a Screwfix now. I'm going to pick up my jack and some pliers and some bulbs and etc, etc. But yeah, some videos to come. Hopefully it's not too boring. I know I've had some comments recently saying that I'm running out of ideas, which admittedly I don't have enough money to create ideas, but here we go. Come on, let's jack. So weather's looking pretty good. We're just going to come out for a little bit. So I just want to air it out a little bit because that mould has come up on the plastic, so I just want to air it out and wipe it all off and hope for the best. I think I might take my driver's seat back out, but then if I take my driver's seat out with the car out of the garage, that's the only way I'm really going to get it out, because I've really got a lot of space. How am I going to move back here? What am I going to sit on? Don't know. But I might take it out and annoy Em and put another seat in the house, but we'll see. And we'll see if my little trickle charger's been working, so she could start up again, and I'll probably just let it get warm. Oh no. Oh no. Service low. That's hopefully. Just let it warm up again quick. I need to attack the seats. I don't know if I want to get these rails out today from underneath, or maybe just do the 5 bolts again on this one. I don't really know. I might attack the plastic at the back and start removing all of this, so I can access the belt mechanism at the top, and obviously eventually work my way towards the bottom. But I don't know. I need to clear it out as well because my horrendous situation here. Does this bit need to come out first? Unfortunately, I've still got my bench in the way, the back bench, because I'm not having any luck with it, and I really can't make my mind up if I want to grind it off. Because if I go grind it off, I probably can't ever use it again. And do I want to use it again? I don't know. But to get this bottom piece out, if you didn't know, you lift this up, and then these two, if you tilt it back far enough, should hopefully wobble out connection. That's how you get it out. There's like a funny little hook. You just got to wobble through that. See, this is going as well. So I have been doing a little bit of filming, but I'm not going to show it because it's all a bit hibbity-jibbity. But I've been trying to work out how to get all the plastics off, because I'm obviously going to be removing the seat back. As you can see, this is removed. Got the speaker out, etc. Pretty sure you've got to start here and removing all those bits. This panel folds this way, I think, and then that comes out. I don't really know, but I've done that as well. But obviously I can't move this out until this bloody back bench is out of the way, because it's right in the way. So once again, we're back to that really annoying point where I need to get that crappy bolt out. But I don't know, I'm contemplating so much. Do I want to put the back seats in? So if I want to put them back in again and I grind it out, it means I have to drill it out. Hopefully the threads are right, then maybe put another bolt in. If not, I've got to re-drill for another bolt. Oh god. But I'm pretty sure I worked out how to get all the plastics out, so I will do a video on how to remove all this when I do this side, which will hopefully make the video a little bit less hibbity-jibbity. But just going to take a wheel up to my parents now and pump it up, because it's flat, because I'm putting all my old tyres back on, old wheels and tyres, and we're going to use my new jack. But yeah, and then I'm going to see, because I've removed this little bit here, well, the seating area of the back bench, so I'm going to see how much of the carpet I can pull that way, and then maybe get to that other proper wet patch down here for now, and pull the driver's seat out the same as I did the passenger seat, I think, and then we're going to go from there. But not too much today, unfortunately, but I still need to get those back seats out. I need to work out in my head what's best. One pumped tyre. Last time she's going to look like this for a little bit. So last 2 jobs, hopefully just switch the tyres around and potentially get the driver's seat out, and then I don't know how I'm going to reverse back in without the driver's seat, but we will see. But I'm just going to get my new jack. Don't get too hyped, everyone, it's only a little one, but woo! Oh yes, it's going to be so much easier. None of this run-up crap no more. Just need a impact wrench now and we'll be done. That'd be the dream. So we're going from these beauties to these. Just for storage. Just back on standards. Ugh. They're alright, to be fair. It's just, if I had a clean set of them and a clean set of maybe these or Torinis, then that'd be cool, like a winter summer combo, but well, I don't have clean sets. So one last thing I want to do today is get the driver's seat out. Not from underneath, I'm going to do it the same way as how I got it last time. Put the 5 bolts around it, but we made a little bit of progress today. I might see if I can access the the underlay. I might just take these poppers out here all the way along and see if I can access that. Just a little bit of underlay there, and wow, I might film that, see if I can get some of that moisture out. It's underneath there. We're going to get the seat out first and then just hope for the best when reversing it in, but it should be alright. I've only got to go. 2 car lengths. What could go wrong? So yeah, just going to take that front seat out now. I'll time lapse it for you if you like, but you saw me do the one the other day. And then we're going to have a little bit of an investigation underneath the carpet and see how far we can get without taking the plastics off pretty much. I love it when I bring this one in. Come on, seatbelt. Give me a break. I don't really feel like I'm getting too far or doing anything really fun to film, but I haven't got anything to give at the moment. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking out these little plastic bung things. I'm pretty sure they just hold the carpet back, but there's 4 on the back, and I might be able to just peel that back a little bit more and see what's going down. So I'm just going to pop them off and hopefully you can just put a flathead grinder or down through the gap and pop them out. Oh yes, here ladies, enjoy. I don't know if I can just pull this along, but you know, what's the worst that can happen? Oh, look at how moist that is. Oh god. At least we can hopefully maybe pull it out now and get rid of it. 20 PM! Oh yeah. That's it then, let's turbo it. Oh god. Come on. So hopefully I can just access this a bit more. I might even have to rip it, but that is where all the moisture is. Put the water. This is what we're dealing with. Ready? 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 Brilliant. 14 years old worth of Clio underlay. Absolutely changed. In water. Right, gonna bring it out a little bit more off camera and then hang it up, I suppose, and let it dry. Right, so that's cool. That's the stage I want to get to tonight. I've given it a little bit of a dry around there and on the carpet, but at least that means that main bulk of underlays now unmoist. And now I just need to make myself something to sit on, so I've got absolutely tons of these dust sheets, so I might just make a pile of dust sheets, sit on there and like low rider it back into the garage, but I don't know, a bit limbo here, but maybe many dust sheets will be a perfect seat. Oh jeez. Oh, just like that. Oh, yeah. This is going to go well. So the key here is not to slip with the old clutch and slam my car into the wall. But it's going to make some content exciting, I suppose. Here goes nothing. Oh, I suggest those mirror. Brakes haven't been using that long, they're sharp. All my seats just moved. guys, don't try this at home. And that's it. Battery's back on the trickle charger. Car's away, windows are cracked. Got a tiny little bit of room. This dry in. But yeah, I just want to apologise really. I haven't really got anything to give to the channel at the moment, in all honesty. But if you got any ideas of videos, that'd be wonderful. Anything that you want to see, anything ideas you can give me. But yeah, for sort of content really, I find that this stuff's a bit boring. One, because I don't know what I'm doing, and two, because I'm not very good at filming it while I'm doing it. But yeah, just want to say sorry, really. But we'll be back another day. I'll start doing probably the upper and lower inlet manifolds soon, but like I said, I gotta wait for James for the lower one because I'm not keen on doing it myself, in all honesty. The next stage on the carpet is getting underneath the car, accessing the proper, obviously the seat mounts from underneath those 4 bolts. Pretty sure you just pull like bungs out from underneath and then you can access the bolts. Not really sure, maybe I should have WD-40 them today, but like I said, I didn't really have time and it's dark already. But got somewhere. Still don't know what to do about the back bench, because I think I do want the rear seats in future, but it'd be nice just to get it all out now. And drive it with just 2 seats for a bit. But if I ever want to put the back bench in, I don't want to have to faff around with whatever's there. But I bet not. But yeah, let me know if you want to see anything. But like, comment and subscribe as always. And I'll see you next time.